Hi, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here in Arcade, New York. We have a 210 square foot granite install to do today. This home is built by Bob Kerner Construction. This will be one of the best houses you get to see as far as everything being nice, square, perfect. Our install should go extremely nice. We have the full team here. We have Andrew, Matthew, Alex, and myself here. We rolled in. It is 1 o'clock. We rolled in. Starting the actual install here about 1:15. We're thinking we're going to be out of here between 5 and 6 o'clock tonight. We'll see how we do. Hello, we're going to show you today how to put your faucet hole in the countertop. We're going to use a ball peen hammer to do this. We're going to feel exactly where we want it. So in this case, I'm going to say right about there. And we're going to come over here and tap. And there's our hole. And we're going to clean it up. Hi, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here in Arcade, New York today. This is kind of a special job. We built the cabinets on this job and we did the countertops. Bob Kerner is the builder on this particular project. He did the cabinet installation. I've got to say, everything on this install is about as perfect as it can get on Bob's side. We're here with Lisa and Dale. What do you think of this whole process and the whole process of selecting your cabinets and everything with us?
It was amazing. It was easy from the get-go, and working with Suzanne was amazing. Carrie and you and the boys came out, the guys came out, and they walked through every cupboard location, every drawer location, and they really had really good input for us, good suggestions, and it was easy.
Awesome. Now you ended up with a lot of hickory here. We have some painted cabinets in the laundry room. What do you think of the overall quality of your cabinets?
Excellent. And I want to say everybody's been very attentive to detail from beginning to end. We walked in and with not really much of an idea of what to get, and detailed the selection, choices,
Okay.
And then putting it all together, because we had a lot of cabinets, a lot of countertops.
Quite a bit to deal with. What do you think of the overall process of our templating and selecting the stone at our place and our installation?
Quite impressive.
Awesome.
The laser measuring, I mean, I walked around today and everything fits perfectly. So the cupboards fit perfectly, like Andy said. Bob Kerner put them in, and Bob, who we think is a perfectionist, says Andy's a perfectionist. They're right to specs. They couldn't be better. And they're awesome quality.
Okay. We have around 210 square feet to install here. We got here between 1 and 1:30. We're at 4:30 right now. We're just cleaning everything up, so everything went absolutely perfect. I would say everything fit nice. We didn't have anything that needed to be remade. All the measurements were good. I would say overall this install was about as perfect as you can get. I'd like to thank you guys for your business.
Thank you. Thank you.
Better, Andy.